Alright, let's set up an Instagram account from scratch in about 3 minutes. Step 1. Download the Instagram app. On iPhone, open the App Store and search Instagram. On Android, open Google Play and search Instagram. Tap Install, open the app. On the welcome screen, tap Create New Account. Sign up with phone or email. Continue with Facebook. Continue with Apple. Continue with Google. I'll do phone or email for a clean setup. Pick phone or email. Type your number or email, then tap Next. Instagram sends a code. Check your text or inbox. Enter that 6-digit code. Now, enter your full name. This shows on your profile but isn't your username. Choose a password. Use at least 12 characters if you can. Mix letters, numbers, symbols. Instagram asks for your birthday. You need to be at least 13. Pick your date in Zats Dam. Then, next. Create a username. This is the handle people use to find you. Try something short, memorable, available. If it's taken, pick a suggested variation. You'll see sync contacts. Allow it to discover people you know, inans, or discover, skip, and add friends later. I'll skip for now. Add a profile photo. Tap Add Photo. Choose camera or choose gallery. Center your face. Save. Add a bio. 1 or 2 lines about you, maybe an emoji. Add a link if you have one. Before you start posting, hit the menu, 3 lines in the top right. Tap Settings and Privacy. Toggle Private Account on if you want only approved followers to see your posts. Tap Accounts Center. Tap Security. 2-factor authentication. Turn on 2FA via an authenticator app or via SMS. Authenticator is stronger. Under Notifications, turn off anything you don't want blowing up your phone. Alright, let's follow a few accounts. Tap Search. Type Photography. Type Fitness. Type Cooking. Open a profile. Tap Follow. Do that for 5 to 10 accounts so your feed has something to show. Make your first post. Tap the plus icon. Choose Post. Select a photo. Tap Next. Pick a filter. Adjust brightness. Adjust contrast. Write a caption. Keep it clear. Add 1-3 relevant hashtags. Tag people if they're in the photo. Toggle add to map off if you don't want location shared. Tap Share. Try a story. From the home feed, swipe right. Take a quick photo. Hold to record video. Add text. Add a sticker. Tap Close Friends, or tap your story. Explore Reels. Tap the plus. Choose Reel. Pick length. Pick music. Pick speed. Record clips. Line them up. Add captions. Keep it snappy. 10 to 20 seconds works great. Clean up your profile. Go to your profile. Tap Edit Profile. Adjust name, username, bio, links, pronouns. Pin up to 3 posts to the top for a strong first impression. Quick recap. Download Instagram. Sign up with phone or email. Verify code. Set name. Strong password. Birthday, username, photo, bio. Lock privacy if you want. Enable 2FA. Follow interests. Post. Share stories or reels. You're set. Keep your password private. Ignore suspicious DMs. Have fun building your feed. Advanced setup. Creator tools. Insights. Business accounts. That's a quick next video.